day, ma'am. I am Fabian General Pay. I am 19 years of age, and today I'm gonna be answer the question that you've given to me. Question number 1. What is administrative office management? The administrative office management is the systematic process of planning, organizing, and coordinating various administrative tasks and function within an organization to ensure efficient operations. It involves overseeing activities such as managing resources, handling communication, implementing policies and procedures, and providing support to staff members. And the goal of administrative office management is to streamline processes, maximize productivity, and support the overall objectives of the organization. Question number 2. What is the main function of administrative management? The main function of administrative management is to oversee and coordinate the administrative activities within an organization to ensure smooth operations. This includes tasks such as planning, organizing, controlling resources to achieve organizational goals. The issue number 3 is staffing problem. The staffing problem is such understanding, turnover, or lack of training can impact the smooth functioning of the office and lead to decreased productivity. Question number 4. If I would assume that I am the head of administration management office, if I were the head of administration office management, I will establish the best office with the best management. I would implement the following strategies. First, the clear communication channels. Establishing clear communication channels is vital for effective management. I would ensure that there are open lines of communication between all levels of the organization. Communication between all levels of the organization. This include regular teams, meetings, feedbacks, sessions, and an open door policy for employees to voice their concern and ideas. And the second strategy is empowerment and trust employees. Believe in empowering employee by delegating responsibilities and trusting them to make decisions. By giving employee autonomy and ownership over their work, they are more likely to be motivated, engaged, and productivity. Question number 5. What is the common issue or problem in the administrative office management? There are 7 types of issue or problem in administrative office management. The first issue or problem in administrative office management is communication breakdowns. Communication breakdowns is ineffective communications between staff members or department can lead to misunderstanding, delay, and errors in tasks and project. The issue number 2 is lack of organization. The lack of organization is poor organization of files, documents, and resources result in inefficiency, wasted time searching for information, and difficulty in accessing necessary material. The issue number 5 is time management. Because the time management is difficulty in prioritizing tasks, managing deadlines, and avoiding procrastination. The issue number 6 is administrative errors. The administrative errors mistaken in data entry, record keeping, or financial management can result in inaccuracies, compliance issues, and damage to organization's reputation. And issue number 7 is workplace conflict. Because the conflict in workplace is tension, disagreement, or passionality clashes. And the last issue of question number 5 is workplace conflict. Because the tension and disagreements or personality clashes among staff members can create a negative work environment and affect morale and productivity.